Hi everyone, it's Tim. It is the middle of January, or actually toward the end. We are still very lucky, as you can say, in the Northeast here in New York, that obviously we don't have snow cover out here. And it's not even that cold of a day today. It's in the 40s, so it feels pretty good. We have some cold weather on the way. I've seen it, but on the forecast, but it's not so bad right now. So I thought I would give a little update, but not necessarily about the garden. And I know this is a garden channel, but I thought I would share with you one of the cool things I have on my property, which is a caboose. And the former owners of this property actually ran a bed and breakfast in the 90s in this caboose, and they had it airlifted over the house. So I'm just gonna kind of share that with you and show you what's going on with it. It needs some restoration. So as I scan my property, that's the mighty Hudson River out there. You can see I've got figs covered up over here. Up there is my pool area, and you can see that the large Trachycarpus palm trees are up there, and some of my Yucca rostratas on the hill. And then the house is up there way above my bamboo collection, and there we have it, a caboose. Who would have thought? And so that is on my property, and I'm going to give you a little tour of what's going on with it. So the caboose obviously has full Hudson River views. It is steps down from the house, and it is pretty interesting. It needs to have all the paint scraped off and be painted, which is going to take a bit of work. That is one of the many projects I want to do, because I would like to rent it out sometimes, because it would be a great way to buy more palm trees. But it's just a really interesting space here. I put in a new water heater on the outside of it last year because we had a water heater problem. It has heating and air, and there's the views out there. So obviously I am working on this. Right in here is where the banquette upholstery goes. There's some fun original shelving that I have down right now because we're treating the walls and painting the ceiling. There's another one here. In here, it's got a full kitchen, cabinetry, refrigerator, and then up here there's a ladder that's behind here that goes up to another bed area above the bathroom. If I turn the lights on, there's a bathroom in here. Obviously still working on everything, but I thought I would share how fun this is. And then it even has a little wood burning stove in here, which makes it really, really fun. So a lot of work to do still. It has new floors in here because when the water heater broke, it flooded the wood floors. So now I've got new floors in here, working on everything to make this a fun little space. Here's the heating, air up there. So this is what is coming. So if you ever want to see my garden and stay in a caboose, this would be the fun place to do it. But I just thought I would share and show you what's going on with that. Anyway, I will keep you posted on what's happening. And like and subscribe. And more garden stuff later.